Ladies and gentlemen, I hope you're doing well today because we have the Samsung Galaxy A52. This just might be the phone for you. It has an excellent display, 120Hz refresh rate, and outstanding battery life. You can see why it's getting so much hype. But is it so strong compared to other options out there? And what can you expect for daily use after you buy it? Let's find out. For starters, the Samsung Galaxy A52 comes with a flat, boxy design that's available in semi-matte black finish, although it's prone to collecting fingerprints. It has a compact frame that's comfortable to hold and unlock with one hand, but the built-in optical scanner can be slow to respond. It's made from a robust plastic with metal sides that feel relatively sturdy and features an IP67 water and dust resistance rating, so it can withstand accidental splashes or some occasional drops. All the buttons are found on the right edge, which includes a volume rocker and a Bixby button that can be customized to launch apps or control the power. I also like that it has a 3.5mm headphone jack and a micro SD card slot that can expand the storage up to 1 terabyte. One of the biggest things you should know in the A52 is that its screen display is fantastic for a mid-range priced phone. It comes in with a screen that's almost as good as one of the higher priced phones as well. It comes with a 6.5-inch AMOLED display with 2400 by 1080 resolution and a 405 ppi pixel density, which produces vibrant and accurate colors, deep blacks, and plenty of brightness, so it's ideal for streaming videos. It also comes with some dedicated picture modes, including a vivid mode that enhances color saturation and a natural mode for increased accuracy. The 120Hz refresh rate is typically found on more expensive models and offers a smoother scrolling experience, but it lacks a dynamic refresh rate to conserve power and requires manual changing to the 60Hz setting. The phone itself, for the price that it has, comes with a generous array of cameras that offer decent versatility in photos. You get a 64MP primary sensor with an f/182 aperture, optical image stabilization, and autofocus that delivers crisp daylight shots and impressive depth, although low light photos lack some saturation. It also has a 12MP ultra wide lens that captures decent image with minimal edge distortion, a 32MP selfie camera that performs well in most lighting conditions, a 5MP macro lens, and a 5MP depth camera for enhanced portrait mode shots. But the overall picture quality isn't comparable to higher end offerings. By the way, if you're enjoying this video and you're learning something about the Samsung Galaxy A52, then why don't you give the video a like? It really helps the channel grow. And if you're looking for updated pricing on all the items, check out the links in the description. It's important to know that it comes with a larger 4500 mAh battery that offers a runtime of around 12 hours per charge with moderate usage, so it should reliably last the entire day. While some features such as brightness and 120Hz refresh rate drain the battery faster, it's still superior to most competitors in this range and has a power saver mode to extend the lifespan. It also supports 25-watt fast charging, and I like that it comes with a charger, which is becoming rare with modern offerings. Under the hood, it utilizes a mid-tier Qualcomm Snapdragon 750G processor and 6GB of RAM. Unfortunately, the performance can be somewhat laggy when launching programs or switching screens, but it generally runs smoothly and is suitable for everyday tasks such as browsing and streaming video. It also runs less intensive mobile games well and delivers solid frame rates without crashing or stuttering. It also comes with 128GB of memory storage for your photos, your applications, your games, everything you need. It runs the user-friendly Android 11 operating system as well as Samsung's signature 3.1 UI custom skin. Even though the interface comes with some pre-installed bloatware, you can delete unnecessary apps to free up space, and some included apps, such as the Samsung Note, offer solid utility. I also like that you get 3 years of free OS upgrades, you get 3 years of free software security patches, and a bonus year to keep your security software updated to keep your information safe. Overall, the Samsung Galaxy A52 is a very solid phone with a very reasonable price. It has an outstanding AMOLED display, a large and long-lasting battery, a durable build, and solid camera performance, so it's easy to see why it's been receiving so much attention. However, despite all its strength, it's not going to be suitable for all users, and some competitors perform better in specific areas or offer superior processing power. The Samsung Galaxy A52 is designed to be a mid-range phone that's appropriate for most casual everyday tasks, streaming, and less demanding workflows. I would recommend this if you're familiar with the Samsung ecosystem and want a solid phone with some high-end features for a non-flagship price. But hey, that's just my opinion. Why don't you tell me your opinions in the comment section down below? And if you're looking for updated pricing on all the links, check the description. And why not give the video a like if you learned something or you actually found something interesting about the Samsung Galaxy A52. And subscribe if you're new to the channel and if you like short, informative tech videos. But until then, I'll see you guys next time.